Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce data usage to save internet bandwidth. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Reduce streaming quality. If you are using online streaming platforms like YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc., then head over to the quality option and set it to lowest possible quality. This will reduce the internet bandwidth. Number 2. Use wired connections. Choosing a wired connection over wireless connectivity is one of the best ways to minimize the data wastage, which will help in reducing the data usage. Number 3. Restrict background apps. Most applications are running in the background for the smooth working of your computer or laptop. Among them, some applications and processes are not really needed, but they use lots of internet. So, filter those unwanted applications and end their task from Task Manager to stop the internet usage. Number 4. Set data limits. Usually the usage of internet varies from application to application. If you feel like any application is using more internet than the regular usage, then limit the data consumption by that particular application to reduce the internet bandwidth. Number 5. Use Google Chrome. Google Chrome works faster than Internet Explorer and compresses data automatically. As the data is compressed, the internet and the time for loading is minimized. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce the internet bandwidth. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.